In modern networking, security is a compute problem. Over 95% of enterprise web traffic is now encrypted. For a standard firewall, inspecting that traffic means intercepting the SSL and TLS handshake, decrypting the payload, scanning for threats, and re-encrypting it all in milliseconds. Most firewalls fail here because they rely on general purpose CPUs. When the security tax gets too high, latency spikes and the network chokes. This is where FortiGate differs. FortiGate is not just a router with a security suite, it's a purpose-built security processor. In this video, we are going to look at the architectural shift from traditional stateful firewalls to the next generation firewall, or NGFW. To understand FortiGate, you have to understand the silicon. While competitors often use off-the-shelf processors, Fortinet utilizes ASICs, which are application-specific integrated circuits. We have the network processor and the content processor. The network processor is the fast part. It handles the heavy lifting of IP version 4 and IP version 6 routing, the network address translation, and IP security VPN encapsulation at the hardware level. This leaves the main CPU free for management tasks. The content processor is the engine for deep packet inspection. It offloads the mathematically intensive tasks of SSL decryption and signature-based pattern matching. By offloading these to dedicated hardware, we maintain high throughputs even when the full security stack is engaged. As an engineer, this means you do not have to choose between security on and network speed. You can have both of them at the same time. Functionally, the FortiGate operates as a next-generation firewall by looking beyond the layer 4 header. So we aren't just looking at the source, the destination, and the port. We are also looking at the payload. We categorize this into two inspection modes you use in the field. We have flow-based inspection and we have proxy-based inspection. FortiGate buffers for flow-based inspection. FortiGate buffers the packet, scans it against signatures, and passes it through without a full termination of the connection. This inspection mode is built for speed and low latency. For the proxy-based inspection, FortiGate acts as a true man in the middle. It terminates the connection, reconstructs the entire file or stream, scans it, then initiates a new connection to the destination. It's more thorough, but requires more compute resources. Knowing when to use which mode is the hallmark of a senior FortiGate administrator. The final concept for this overview is the security fabric of Fortinet. From an engineering perspective, this is the convergence of network and security. Using a proprietary protocol called FortiLink, the FortiGate extends its security policies down to the access layer. Your switches and wireless access points effectively become remote line cards for the firewall. This gives us granular visibility. So if a port on a switch at a certain branch office sees malicious traffic, FortiGate can administratively shut down that specific port based on a fabric-wide security policy. So we move from defending a perimeter to defending all the endpoints. This series is designed to take you from initial deployment to advanced traffic shaping and VPN orchestration. We aren't going to spend time on marketing slides. We're going to spend it in the graphical user interface and the command line interface. Next up, we're going to address the single biggest hurdle for new learners, setting up a professional grade lab environment and navigating the 2026 licensing requirement. I'll see you in the next lesson.